Mr. Davis, this is that F-150 that I was telling you about. EcoBoost XLT. Lots of chrome fog lights. Got the chrome wheels on it. Again, XLT. Running boards. Does have the powered driver's seat. It's got 63,442 miles on it. It's got all the steering wheel controls. The big flat screen display. Clean, clean, clean truck. Really clean. Don't even like anybody sat in the back seat. Does have the 120 outlet plug in the front and in the back. Tonneau cover. Tow package. Rear view camera. Again, really, really clean truck. Let me know when you can make it down here, sir. Thank you.